Hey guys, Becky Thames here, and I just wanted to jump on here and show you all about Infinii. For those of you that have been following me know that I have been with Infinii and its sister corporation for about 4 years, ever since I started online. I found this on Facebook, and once I started, I never looked back. And this is the beginning of my e-commerce success. So what I'm going to do is just log in to my Infinii account here. And this is my back office, and this is exactly what you will see when you log in as well. So the first thing you would do is just watch this 6-minute video that says Welcome to Infinii. And then you can click on the training button over here. And we have two levels. We have Prime, which is $49.95. And we also have Advanced Training, which is Surge, which is $149.95. But let me show you what you get. So if you click on Prime, where it says Start Your Ecom Business, and once you click on that, you're going to have another Prime video, 6 minutes and 43 seconds, and then you get your Prime Dashboard, your eBay training, and when I click on eBay training, you can see you get the eBay map to profits before you start listing, how to find items to list, eBay manual listing sections, eBay automation tools. This is what Infinii is all about. It's an info tracker, an eBay lister. I sold my item, now what? eBay business goals and bonuses for the international members. We have a lot of international sellers, and then UK-based supplier training here, and that's just under the eBay training. They also have Amazon Shop for Profits, and this is what teaches you all about retail arbitrage, creating your Amazon account, how to get around Amazon Seller Central, how to use the Amazon Seller app, how to scan with your cell phone, how to break down the ranks on Amazon, the supplies that you'll need, how to create a shipment, how to complete a shipment, and also another bonus material for international members, how to get paid from Amazon. Now, if you're brand new, this is where you want to start to get on Amazon. And then Bonanza Training is also available in the Prime Training. And what you get under Bonanza, that's when you go to Google and you type on Google Shopping. That's what Bonanza is. So create your Bonanza account settings, recommended suppliers for Bonanza, how to find profitable keywords, how to name your images, how to list manually on Bonanza, how to use Bonanza Lister, Bonanza manual tracking spreadsheet, Bonanza business plan, and upscale your Bonanza business. Now, currently, Infinii is the only company that has a Bonanza lister. So that's something that you could take advantage of. Then we have Infinii Tools. You can click here and look at all of our tools for Infinii. It's going to take a minute to load since I'm recording this. And here's the tools: how to connect your eBay account, how to use the right URLs, the product research tool, creating your first listing, how to create an eBay UK listing, how to create an eBay variation listing, how to use the custom listing tool, how to create your own shipping or return policy, how to upload images to the media library, how to use the Infinii tracking tool, how to import listings from eBay, important tracking common fixes and optimal settings, tracking log feature, how to connect your Bonanza account, how to create a Bonanza listing. So you can see that's just in the tools. And then Saturday training, there's so much Saturday training here. This was from February the 3rd, and they go back months and months and months. Let's see, we're back to May, April of 2017, February, January 2017. So a year's worth of trainings in this video here. And then we have international training if you're an international member, all about how to sell on eBay if you're international. And we also have webinars just for international, so Bulgarian, Greek, Polish, Russian, South Korean, and Spanish replays. So if you're brand new to e-commerce, hands down, this is the best place to start. If you're looking to start your e-commerce journey, I'd love to lock arms with you. You can join my team at makemoneywithbecky.com. Thanks for watching.